If you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And to be alerted on new videos, don't forget to hit that bell. It's all free. Hi everyone, it's Girl Friday Jennifer. It's 2019. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. No, all jokes aside. Look, I did a ride along a couple days ago. Might have been last week. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and I did the ride along last week, maybe Thursday or Friday. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I did a ride along because Leon, the app channel, I think that's what he called his channel. I don't know, but I'll put a description of the video or the link for the video below. But anyway, he did a video. I think the title of the video was, "Are the restaurants getting faster?" So I was like, he's in Miami. And I was like, that's a good thought. Are they getting faster? Because, allegedly Uber Eats, or apparently Uber Eats, pays us for our time. So I was like, well, let me test it. I know that they say that's what they're doing, but I wanted to compare it. I wanted to look at it. Like, are they really paying us for our time? Okay, so in my ride along, what you're going to see is not really a lot of me. But I have screenshots that I want to share with you of me going to the restaurant, what time I was scheduled to be there, what time I actually left, and then I have some screenshots of how much I was paid. So you for yourself will be able to look at it and see what time I got there, what time I left, so you can determine how fast or how slow the order was. And you'll be able to see how much I got paid. You'll be able to look at how much I got paid for the time, the pickup, and the drop off. So you decide for yourself. I hope you enjoy. I just walked into the McDonald's. I gotta let them know what I'm here for. Let's see how long it takes for someone to even acknowledge me. Acknowledge me.
You want 2 or 3 more?
I'm sick. I did a lot of them. You got some honey, I'll take that too. Huh?
What's that, honey?
Yeah, you can. I'm a store manager. I can make anything happen. Yeah. That's how it's real.
Who do I let know I'm here to pick up an Uber Eats order?
Right here, but she has to come right now.
Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Another rainy day here in Georgia. I suspect that's the reason why Uber Eats is paying an additional $2, but I'm not really sure because the Quest orders actually they come whether it's raining or not. It's just, I don't know what the rhyme or reason is, but it is raining, and Uber Eats is offering an additional $2 per delivery from the hours of 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. All right, I'm on my way to this IHOP order. I'm thankful. I'm still out here. It's 12:41. What, got another hour? I'm on my way back to the same McDonald's while I'm I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison for the same area. As you may well know, with Uber Eats, the pickup and drop-off fee is based on the area you're in. These two orders was only a little over a mile in distance. It took way too long. However, I was getting an extra $2 per delivery, again, per delivery. And 2 minutes is what, 30 minutes? And that rounds out to be about $11 an hour. So it's not rocket science. It's just massaging the numbers and titles. It is what it is, and I'm here for it. Me, I get over 30 miles per gallon, and it takes only $10 to fill my tank. I ain't going back and forth while it makes sense to me. I'm here for it. Be safe out there.